beautiful sunny day here on the Oregon coast, and it's actually quite warm. I'm in a t-shirt, so good day to have a little walkabout. All right, I gotta hold this at arm's length here. This is kind of weird. I wanted to say hello to everybody and thank you all for being my wonderful subscribers. I am working on getting some new products ready to sell, and my first one's going to be a freebie. So you'll be able to just click the freebie on listed in the menu of my YouTube channel, and you can download and have permanent access to it. So yeah, it should be fun. I know how annoying the commercials get, guys. Yeah, I signed up for the no commercial YouTube myself. I forget what they call that. But anyways, all my content that I watch is commercial free, which is really awesome. And it's only 14 bucks a month. I'm not sponsoring this, but just to let you know, it's worth it. If you watch a lot of YouTube, and for us, we just watch YouTube, Paramount, and Netflix. That's it. We don't have regular television anymore because they're so darned expensive. And what do you need like 500 channels for anyways? So makes more sense, and we're quite happy with it because we can binge watch NCIS. George just absolutely loves it. Anyways, I wanted to address a few things today while we're wandering around. And the big one for me that comes to mind is memory. And 2 days from now. Today is April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. And in 2 days is my 71st birthday. Can you believe that? If I'd known I was going to live this long, I might have taken better care of myself and less skiing. But here we are. And you know, it's so funny. When I was younger, older people used to say, oh, getting old is not for sissies. And I'm a big sissy. I'm whining all the time. It's just terrible. It really isn't for sissies. It's very challenging. And I think, you know, all the aches and pains that we have on an ongoing basis, they suck. But what sucks the most is the memory. And the memory really, really sucks. And I don't know how to deal with it. And I've taken every vitamin you can think of, and I've tried everything. And, you know, they're all so darned expensive. And you've got to take this stuff every month. And a lot of it is like $50 to $100 a month. I don't know about you, but I can't afford that. It's crazy. So, yeah, this latest one I got is called New Brew or something like that. I don't know. You know, they pop up on your Facebook, and it just looks all so enticing. And I figured, oh, what the heck, I'll get it. So I'll let you know. Ask me in 6 months if I still have a brain left. But yeah, it's frustrating. And today, for instance, I had a bit of a nightmare trying to remember my TikTok password. And because I didn't know my TikTok password, I had to do this dumb puzzle, and it kept telling me I was doing it wrong. So check it out. Yeah. It'll be inserted. All right, I'm going to video this because this is insane. I have been trying to get into my TikTok account this morning, and okay, now how dumb is this? Use the arrows to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. Okay, so you're going to hit this. All right, I did that. Is that correct or what? Okay, watch this. Submit. Not quite right. Okay, brilliant. Okay, let's try again. I have already done a bunch of these, and it's just insane. And they keep turning me around. Oh, finally got one. So, oh, unable to verify. Look at that. Okay, watch this one. I blew this one too. How do you blow this? Okay. look at this. All right, I've got it in the little hole. All right, the puzzle fits, right? Oh, look at that, unable to verify. Oh, let's do another stupid one here. But yeah, I did it about 10 times. It kept telling me I was doing it wrong. What is wrong putting a puzzle piece in a puzzle? That's what they have you do now. Oh, it drives me crazy, absolutely crazy. Okay, back to the memory thing. The other beef I have is I use a editing program called CapCut, and I really like it. And then there was the fear of them cutting CapCut off, which they did. They shut it down for, gosh, almost a week. I was out of my mind. And I've been trying to find another equally as easy to use program. And they kept saying, oh, you know, DaVinci or blah, blah. And you know what? They're not easy. And so I went through this whole rigmarole today, and my bank has this thing where, oh, well, if it's from China or from another country, it's blocked as fraud. So I tried to renew it, and anyways, I was in tears this morning. Not fun at all. But and then at the same time that I was in there trying to figure this out, I find there was a fraud on my bank account yesterday that they didn't even catch, and they let it go through. So go figure. And you know, the thing is we forget. We have these subscriptions that pop up like Facebook or YouTube, and go, oh, well, that sounds like a really good idea. Oh, $15. Oh, I can do that. But they've got some hidden dialogue even in there that always says, oh, in 1 month, we're going to charge you 3 times the amount. And yeah, it's one of those things that just drives me nuts. How about you? It's just crazy. As we're walking, my dog is pulling me. That's why it sounds like I'm out of breath, because I am. She's into everything, and she's the most powerful little Yorkie I've ever had. It's pretty crazy. Now she's stuck in the brambles. Anyway, well, if you're having memory problems out there, all I can say is you're in good company, because we're all going through it, and it's just so frustrating. For a while there, my memory was so bad. I was fuzzy, and I couldn't put a sentence together. It was, okay, yeah, don't laugh. I know my sentences are not well put together, but this is just a chat. This is not anything scripted. And I'm not very good at scripting anyway, so most of my videos are not scripted. I probably should do that because I go off topic. Anyway, back to memory. I'm trying to pull it back here. So, yeah. I would love to hear from everybody. If you found a product that improves your memory, I would sure love to hear about it. I don't have any answers, but what I do know that grounds me is doing my art, you know, because I'm learning something new all the time. And I just watched a video by Denise Love. I absolutely love her, RR. And she comes up with some great stuff. And her latest thing was all these books that she loves. And I had one of them, which was Tracy Verdugo. And Tracy's just a doll. And she's inspired me a lot on my abstract acrylics. But yeah, I ordered this book. And because of watching Denise, and I forgot the name of it already. There goes the memory. But here's the dumb part. It was only $18, and my bank flagged it as fraud. I bought it through Amazon, and I'm going crazy. It's just like, this doesn't make any sense. Anyway, you know, you've got to get stuff that inspires you. And yeah, I love looking at books. I hardly ever actually read them. I'm a bad girl. I do the pictures. And do you do the pictures? Because that's what I do. I kind of learn from pictures because I'm a visual person. And I forget what it was, but it was really a cool book. I'll list it below. I was buying the very last one that Amazon has. We'll see how it goes. It should get here tomorrow. Anyway, my dog is having a great time. I'm going to spin the camera around so you can see what I'm looking at, because it's really a beautiful day here today. Whoops, there goes the leash. All right. This is our property here. It's been in George's family since the 50s. It's been a really long time. And we're sitting on 5 acres, and it's bumped up against the forest, as you can see over there. That's my little she shed. And there's a crazy dog there. And oh, I gotta show you guys this. We have the coolest tree, and I found it one day. I went, holy smokes, that is a really unique tree. So let's go back here. This is a pond, and it's kind of icky water. And it used to be a sawmill back there, way back there. So all the sawmill stuff from back in the 40s and 50s got dumped into the stream. And so it's not something you'd want to swim in, but it's pretty. And there's where all the water's flowing out to the ocean. The ocean is like maybe 4 blocks away from us, just west of us. Okay, so here's the forest back here, and George just cleared this. It's great having a guy that has heavy duty equipment, because this used to be like solid, thick forest. He hadn't done this in many, many years, and he finally did it year before last. So it's a nice little walkway. But here's the cool thing back here. Keeps his logs here. Whoa, I'm getting dragged by a Yorkie. But I gotta check this out. All right. Now, okay, look at this tree. It is a trip. I don't know what kind of tree it is, but can you see that? I mean, it would make an awesome painting. All the different shapes. It's like a tree grew out of the side of it and their arms. I don't know. It's really bizarre. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 big fat arms coming off it. And it goes way, way up. Yeah, we got some pretty big trees here. Okay, and then there's a path that goes somewhere, but I haven't been that adventurous. And I love the sound of the water. I was actually thinking of recording it and having my own water sound for the back of my videos. And there's our cute little house. We opted for a manufactured, and I'm not a big fan, because I have built my own houses before, and the quality is really substandard. But it's just a place to hang our hats, and we're happy with it. And George has built me all these gardens. See the tiers? And my biggest challenge is keeping them weeded. And see that big, huge building in the back there? That's George's office and heavy duty equipment. His toy barn. That's where he keeps them all. So I will have to cut this up. And I hope you've enjoyed our little chat. I mean, it was nonsensical, silly, and forgetful. Do subscribe, do me a solid, leave a comment, and share the video. Where else are you going to get a crazy video like this? Anyways, have a happy day and go make some art. Pogo!